This is what the light is supposed to do. This is from another place, ALTS, Traffic Logistics. You push it once, you get this. Push it twice, get that. Push it 3 times, you get this. Push it 4 times, you get that. 5 times, you get that. 6 times, you get that. 7 times, you get that. 8 times, you get that. 9 times, you get the white light. Gotta have the white light. That's a work light. That's what you're supposed to get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, done. And at no time were there just 2 lights on. You could see that. Now I will make a recording of the defective ones I got.